Hello, and I'm back. So today it's so amazing. So today we're leaving Dumaguete, and I forgot to take a video when we're packing and where we stay. So right now we're just in the road and heading to MABINAY. So heading to MABINAY and
do some fishing, hopefully.
okay, join my vlogging.
I'm in a bad mood today. Yay!
Yeah, he's in a bad mood and he doesn't have mood to vlog. So
I'm not gonna vlog right now.
Yeah.
Maybe in a little.
So this is our situation, and he's like carrying this bag, and there's like a two bag, and his one bag is his lap, and our what do you call that, electronic bag.
Yeah.
So we're just stopped over here alongside the road. The sugarcane failed, so we just like take a break, or butt break, and just chill a little, and then we're just heading back to the road. So we just stopped here alongside the road again, and I'm just like chilling at the shade here under the papaya tree. Grab that, there's a papaya. So there's a view in front of me, and I'm gonna show you what's the view here. Look at that. There. It's too hot though. Earlier when we left Dumaguete, it's kind of gloomy and there's no sun. But now the sun goes out. Huh?
It's super hot now.
Yeah, and now it's super hot now. So we're already here at the Highland Resort.
Yeah.
Highland Resort, where you can do fishing. They have like a man-made lake here. So how much the entrance?
I think entrance is $20, and then fishing is
$20?
20 pesos again. And then fishing is 200 peso.
200 pesos. How long is that?
I guess all day.
All day. Oh, that's really nice. So yeah, look at the lake here. It's like peaceful, and you saw some fishes there, and you can see some fishes like swimming around here. Look at this is the lake. And the resort, or the resort, the Highland is there. And we just stopped here, this area, because my boyfriend my husband likes the spot here. So
Can you vlog me?
okay. Wait. Ah! I'm really stressed with you. Look at this. This is the bag that I carry when we go traveling at the bike. And
Help me find that case.
I'm super
Where's that white case?
Hey, it's there. It's like the bottom, on the bottom. Nah, that's why you don't like know everything your shit, because
You packed it.
you packed it, yeah. And you don't. I always like do that, and then I'm gonna struggle like carrying this heavy bag at your back. I think this is like Like 15 kilos. I don't know. So heavy. And what are you doing now?
Can you just vlog me?
With the black.
Ready?
Okay.
Alright guys, we just got here at the Highlands Resort. It is the fishing spot in the middle of Negros, and it's pretty secluded. You can't even find this thing on the map. We weren't even sure where the resort actually was, but we made it here, and it's a pretty damn peaceful place. It costs about 200 pesos to do fishing. You got to bring your own rods, and I am just setting up my tackle, my new rod, and we're gonna do some fishing. So this is gonna be the start of the fishing in this Philippines series, and we're gonna do some freshwater fishing, and I heard there's a lot of big tilapia and snakeheads in this area, so hopefully we catch a lunker. So stay tuned guys.
Kapoy gidya, kasakit sa akon nga likod. Sang bit-bit, sang bag, sang...
Alright, we're all
Okay.
got a little froggy lure on. I'm gonna try this out because I've seen others use the same lure. Catch a nice monster, so let's give it a try. Oh my god.
Holy shit. That's a good try. First, like,
The leg's fucked up. Why is the leg fucked up?
gonna work.
I don't know. If not, I'm gonna throw jig on.
What?
Alright, so no such luck just yet, but we have seen some pretty damn big fish moving around and jumping, and they seem to be all along the kind of, oh, there's one just now. That looked like some pretty big movement. So there's something big that's kind of lurking around there, and that's kind of what I want to get.
What?
It's recording?
Yeah. You hurry because it's getting dark in time.
Right now there's a bunch of fish all swimming around. They seem pretty big. You can see them starting to become more active. I guess, oh, we're getting a couple bites, but oh.
You got it? You stuck?
Got another snag. I'm trying to retrieve it. Alright guys, so we are now here in Pablo's place here in MABINAY, and we tried to stay at another place, but I think it was the Springs Resort or something like that, but they wouldn't let us in because we didn't have a reservation. So we just tried next door to Pablo's, and it's kind of like a container, almost like a tiny homes setup, and it's actually pretty decent. Like, looks pretty brand new, wooden walls and stuff, but brand new air conditioner, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, everything was pretty nice. 1,200 pesos for this place, so it's not too bad. The bathroom looks pretty decent. No hot water, I don't think. That's what he said, but for 1,200 pesos in the middle of Negros, or in the middle of the mountains, that's pretty decent. So yeah, we're gonna go do some fishing tomorrow. We got one bite today, and it just made me want to keep trying till dark, but I didn't get anything. So yeah, gonna try again early in the morning, try to catch me some snakehead fish, because they were just swimming around, just teasing me all day. So yeah, so we're gonna get a couple hours in before we take off back to Bacolod. Alright guys, looks like the weather has screwed up our day. It is pouring outside here. We were gonna go fishing, got up at 6 in the morning, and it was just downpouring. So looked at the weather, and it's supposed to be raining like this for days. So I think we are gonna be heading out of here. We'll have to try fishing another day. Got all our stuff packed up here, and yeah, it is what it is. Kind of bummed out. All I got was a little bite, but you know, can't really have fun in rain.
You can
so.
try it in Bacolod.
Yeah, we're gonna try it in Bacolod. So I think we're off. We're gonna throw our rain covers on, throw our little rain jackets on, and get out of here. So we'll see you guys on the road.